And these fabulous baked goods just came out of the oven. They've invited me back into the kitchen and the bakery. This is za'atar bread. We have spinach pies. We have cheese pies. This is all made from scratch. And these are meat pies. And over here we have chicken pies. And you know I'm going to come back here to eat because they're open until 7 o'clock. They have shawarma. They have stuffed eggplant. And this is a family-owned business with everything made from scratch and from the heart, from treasured family recipes. And the guys invited me back into the bakery, and Charlie is in the process of baking fresh pita bread. So he puts the pita bread onto this runner, and in 1.5 minutes it's going to be ready and it will come out of the oven. And now those beautiful pita breads are coming out of the tunnel oven. They are on the conveyor belt, and believe it or not, it only takes about 1.5 minutes to cook. Beautiful pita bread. It's been cooking for about 1.5 minutes in 1,000 degrees or higher in this tunnel oven. Oh my word, look at these gorgeous pita breads. Here they come. Forget the low-carb diet. So I'm here in the kitchen with
Okashah Monem.
and he is the founder, nearly 50 years ago, of Oriental Bakery and Grocery, and he is making rice pilaf from scratch. And this is quite a Middle Eastern specialty. Here we have some homemade falafel, and for lunch today, they have stuffed eggplant with meat and rice and topped with tomatoes and almonds and shawarma. I can't wait to come back and have lunch here.